Ole.
Quarter is tacked in. Gonna have to cut this section out because it's just too thin to weld. Somebody back in the day has been grinding on it a little too hard. You can see it just blows right through. Whew, I don't know who did that, but that was not pretty. So we're sitting here with the window frame from the driver's door, and if you look closely, what we have here is a broken bolt. Should have come out like this one, but it didn't because it's 50 years old and it's been in Ontario. So this is a little trick on getting them out. Get a little nut here. This is a Subaru nut, so it's going to work really well. Layer on top of the door there, just like that. Then we're going to fill that with weld, and hopefully we'll be able to just thread it out. Let's take a look here. You gonna flip on the welder for me?
Mm-hmm. That's 1 sec.
Okay.
Ooh.
All right, and let's. Oh, it's like I'm a professional.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's hot. That's the easiest way. You don't even have to fix the threads after. We are at a very exciting point, and that point is all of the cutting and the welding is just about done. We're one step away from getting to epoxy prime, and that is to start pulling out as many of these dents as we can so that we don't fill them with body filler like the last guy. So, a little hard to tell, but this is a major low spot here. Then we got a few other low spots here. Nice dinger right on the front of the hood. And to fix that, we're going to be using our uni spotter. Pretty simple tool. It welds a bunch of little studs. Then you use this to pull on the studs and pull the dent out. I'll set up the camera, give you guys a demonstration. And I'm only going to show us doing this on the hood. Because there's way too many dents all over the car, and it gets a bit repetitive. So, enjoy this little montage. We have finally reached a milestone on the Datsun. The metalwork is done. So we have the car pushed into the paint booth now, and I'm gonna mask it off and get it ready to be epoxy primered. A little bit going over here. You'll notice dark spots like that. That is rust converter that we've sprayed wherever there was rust. We've ground the rust down, and a bit of rust converter to neutralize in case there are any rust particles left, because any little bit of rust that's left will spawn more rust. So just to be safe, anywhere there was rust on the old metal, we have rust converted. That's why it's full of these little dark spots. that is it for part 2 of our Datsun project. We got a lot done. All of the welding, the dent pulling, and the metal work is finished. The car has been sprayed in epoxy primer, so now all we have left to do is the body work, body filler, sanding, painting, and assembly of the car. Yeah, we still have a lot more to go, so stay tuned and like and subscribe. See you guys next time.